Nowadays, every business is shifting online. They are using websites and Facebook for their business. To promote their business and brand, they use ads. Creating these ads usually requires expensive and powerful software, which in turn requires a lot of skill to operate. Skilled professionals create these ads and sell them to clients on freelancing websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com, earning anywhere from $100 to $500 and even up to $1,000 per ads. This clearly shows the high demand for ads and the potential future growth in this field. However, creating ads using those powerful software tools is very time-consuming. But there's no need to worry, because in today's video, I will show you how to create a beautiful ad using AI in just 5 to 10 minutes. You won't need any expensive software, and it will save you a lot of time. To create an ad, you need to follow a few steps. 1. Product selection. 2. Removing the product background. 3. Generating a prompt for the ads. 4. Creating the ads. So, without further delay, let's get started. Welcome to Finance, your go-to guide for making money online and achieving financial freedom. If you're new here, be sure to hit subscribe and ring the notification bell so you'll always be the first to get life-changing financial tips. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with others who are ready to boost their income. This is Finance, your journey to online success starts right here. To create an ad for our product, the first thing we need is a product image. For this, go to your browser and find a product according to your need and preference. I'll first take an image of a Bangladeshi cool drink called Mojo. Then one of an Afghan cool drink, Pamir Cola, and finally, a Saudi Arabian cool drink called Milaf Cola. Once the product images are collected, our second step is to remove the background of the product. To do that, go to your browser and search for Background Remover. The first result will usually be Adobe. Click on that. It's a completely free tool with no limit on how many photos you can process. Click on Upload your photo and select the product image. As you can see, the background is instantly removed. To download, just click on the Download option above. Repeat this process for each product image. Next, we move on to step 3, prompt generation for the ad. Go to ChatGPT, click the plus icon to start a new chat, and provide the product information. In the prompt box, type, I want to make a CGI ad for this cool drink. Now give me a prompt to generate a CGI ad. The background must have a stone beach. You can write your own prompt based on your product and theme. Press enter, and ChatGPT will instantly provide you with a prompt. Copy that prompt. Now comes step 4, creating the ad. Go to your browser and search for Adobe Firefly. Click on the first website that appears. Then click on Create with Firefly. The homepage will load. To create a video, you'll need to create an account. Click on the Sign In option, then continue with Google. After a short loading time, your account will be created. Scroll down and you'll find the Image to Video option. Click on it. Now upload your product image here and paste the prompt you got from ChatGPT into the prompt box. At the top, check the settings, model, keep it as Firefly Video. Resolution, set to 1080. Aspect ratio, widescreen. Camera motion, set to zoom out. You can adjust these based on your preference. There's nothing to change under Advanced Settings. Now click Generate to create the ad. It will start loading, and after a few moments, the ad will be ready. Once it's done, click Play to preview it. As you can see, a beautiful ad has been generated. To download it, go to the Download option and click, it will be downloaded. Adobe Firefly allows you to create only 2 ads for free. It's not completely free. But don't worry. You can use temporary email services to create multiple accounts and continue using it. However, you'll only get 2 ads per account. If you need to create more ads regularly, consider using the paid version. You can purchase a package based on your needs. In today's video, I've shown you how to quickly create a beautiful ad using AI, without needing expensive software or special skills. That's it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on all notifications so you get all updates on online earning-related content before anyone else. Thank you so much for watching the video patiently until the end. See you in the next video. Until then, stay well and take care.